What are the menu pages and how to use them on Wix.com? Well, today I'm going to go over that information for you so you can be the professional in creating your Wix site. When you're looking at the site, you're going to look on the far left and you're going to see menus and pages. So once you just click on menus and pages, this wonderful little tab pops up and it gives you a full list, such as the site menu, sign up and login, members area, the Wix bookings, and the page transitions. So let's first go over what is it. What is the menu pages? So anything on your website is actually going to have a menu. It's actually showing everything that is on your site. So this is just you can say that a content. It shows everything that's projected onto the Wix site. So with the first one we have site menu. So this exactly shows the little site and the strip up above here, such as this. The about, the projects, the services, and the contact information. You can see this as well right here. And so anything that you see in this strip in the menu, as you can see, it says horizontal menu right when you hover over it. That is your menu. Since this is a template, it's already pre-made for you. So this is, you can change these, of course, if you would like. When you see the three little dots on the right, you can just click on those and you can go to settings, the social share, you can rename it. Maybe I don't like that. Let's say hi, right? So once we go over there, hi, and you're going to see that it actually edits it and shows up at the home. The same for about. When you go over it, now once you click over it and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to that page, wherever it may be, right? Services, projects. It's the same as when you're clicking on this menu. It's the same as if you click the button up here. So not much about that. So when we're going back, we're going to go over to About so you can actually see it in the hovering menu. Well, let's go to Rename. Rename. And we're going to change the name About Me. Alright, so Me. And you can see right here how it changes. And this is pretty much how you change the names of those. We're going through the course of the videos and we're going to go over the same page so you don't get a little confused. You're going to see all of this later on too. So again, the three little tabs. Social share, it's just allowing you to share it to social media. The same deal. Rename, you can duplicate it. Maybe I want 2 of those. Now once you click on duplicate, it's going to make of those. Copy of me. Right? And you can of course go over to a copy of me, and once you click on that and you make the copy, you can change the name as well. So you just say me. Alright, so there's 2 me. Me, right? When we're going, let's go to the projects page. You have the copy, the duplicate, which is that, so you can actually copy that information. You can set that as your home page. So perhaps you'd want the About Me information to show up. You can set that as your home page, so that's exactly what's showing on the site when you enter the web address. You can hide this information if you would like. Maybe I don't want my projects. Maybe I want to hide it. So you can, of course, click Hide, and it's going to hide it from the site menu for you. Very easy. You can see here with the little I with the slash through it, it's letting you know that it's actually hidden. And you can go to Show, and wham! It's right back there with you. You can make a subpage. So just as the word says, a subpage, it's like a separate. You can have something under projects as well. Or maybe I don't like it. So for example, like I have 2 me's. I don't like that too much. And we can go and click and delete right down here. So there's a few ways you can kind of delete it here. You can either click it from the site menu page and delete it. Or you can actually just hover over the strip and you can left click and it will say delete, and you can do that as well. So multiple ways. Now going back to the menus and pages. We have here the contact information, and it just takes you right back to the preset contact pages. Now remember, here, all of this information is just a template, so you can change all of this. And we're going to go in a little bit more detail further on the website and further on in the videos, just to let you know how to do this. But let's start from the very beginning, showing you the template and what exactly that is, right? So the sign in and login, the sign up and login, member sign up, of course, is for members of your page, and you're going to have the sign up, and you're going to have the member login information. So when we're clicking on the sign up form, you can have it so who can be a member? Well, everyone. Or you can have it set for people that I approve. right? And which option shows first, new member sign up or existing member login. So if you really want someone to really show, hey, if you're not a member, sign up, okay, great. If you're focused on the members you already have, of course, the existing member login. That's just the general information. Of course, social and community, you can use Google to log in, you can use Facebook, the same as if you do any other website that you may see, right? Even if you're playing video games on your phone or a certain site that says, hey, log in with Google, log in with your Facebook, same thing. So that is the tab for social and community. When you go to policies, of course, that is your terms of use. We all know about those, right? So you can actually choose a link. What does it link to? You can go to a special policy that you have, a terms of use, if you have that created, whichever you like. Show a link to your site's privacy policy. It's the same deal, and you're going to show it right there. And that's the sign up and login for a member page. Now, since we have the sign up and login information down pat, we can go to members area. Before we go to the members area, guys, look, I really want you to click like and let me know and follow. So that way you can not miss any other videos we can have that's going to give you the information that you really need to be that professional, right? So the members area. When you go to the members areas, you have my bookings, my files, my account, my wallet, settings, notifications, profile, and followers. Now, of course, later on down the line, we're going to see this information again. So don't worry if you're not catching it right now. We're going to go right back to it. All right, so my bookings, of course, if somebody wants to a consultation, and that's what this website is. If you look at the headline, this template is just for about consulting, James Consulting. It can be whatever. So my bookings, maybe I want to book a consultation, and that's just what this is about. So this takes you straight there to this information as well. So you have my files, my account, and it takes you everything so you can kind of see what's going on. So now that we got to my account, let's take a look. Right, so now that we're here, my account information. It just takes you to your account. Right? And this is showing my followings, my wallet, my account, notifications. It's going to take you straight here to the members area for whoever is a member of the website. Right? So this is going to show them all of the information if they want to change it, for example. Right? Wix bookings. It's exactly for Wix. Right? So bookings, checkout, a service page, services, whichever you like. It's going to have something that's already projected, that template again, right? So the same thing, you can show it as well. Let's exit out so you guys can see it. And this is the services just for the template, James Consulting. You can kind of see it's the projects, the services here. And of course, we're going to go over some more information here so you can manage services. And we'll go into that over a little bit later. All right, and that's that. And the page transitions. So this is exactly like showing you how the page is going to be presented. How's it going to come? Resources. It can come in horizontal. It can come in vertical. It can crossfade. If you want it to crossfade, right? Or if you want it to out in as well. And that's just the animation for the page, right? So when you click and go over it. That's it for the site menu. Again, it's just a menu. It's going to show, and don't forget, it's going to just highlight these informations here. So that's going to really help you. And on the next video, if you definitely subscribe and follow us further, we're gonna go over the page background, which is actually going to be rather fun, and you're going to catch a lot of information for this. So I'll show you guys how to actually work for that. All right, gentlemen, ladies, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and be sure to follow us and catch up on our videos and see what else information you can actually follow up on for Wix.com. All right, guys.